Okay, so I managed to find a tutorial video by the support. So the video over here is quite inadequate. They don't explain the procedure how to use it properly. So over here they talk about this archive to you can bring in I don't know furniture or what from this archive, but inside the package this thing doesn't exist. Then they never explain how they come about to get this archive. So this is one thing. So the other one is at 1148. So 11 or
Greetings all, I am Elon Musk, and
1148
today I would like to introduce you to quantum AI, the world's...
So 1148 they talk about setup of object. So setup object.
When you want to start creating your model,
So this one is actually the talk is quite fast and then it wasn't detailed enough. I was not able to understand what they are talking. Okay, then followed by create module 1414.
so in that template, there is the root object.
So 1414. So this one is talk about create module. I was not really able to fully understand the way they explain is very fast. You see they do it very fast. Okay, so it was not a step-by-step video, and then followed by 1720. Okay, 1720 they talk about install additional package. There was a few additional package I need to install. One of them is JSON file something for it to edit the JSON file or what. So that part they is somewhere in front here, I guess. That part did not say how to set up the JSON file package or plugin or something like that. Okay. Then there is one more that's 1812. They talk about open scene thumbnail generator. So 1812. So this one was quite brief. So this part I talk about this generate thumbnail. When I look into the package I installed, there is no generate thumbnail scene. They never explain this how this scene is being come about. Where is this scene? Do I download it? How they created it? They just straight away show then open this folder and they come straight away they have this scene, but I don't have it. So is it the package that's a short form or what? Okay, so and then followed by 2848. So 2848 was talking about 2848. 2848 is talking about using this set up this HDRP. So this one is very brief also. They did not explain exactly how they set up. Okay, so all these are just merely one of the example. Actually, the entire video is very brief and they doesn't explain in detail. And there's a lot of short form. They did not explain clearly how they come about. Even suddenly they show a generate thumbnail scene, but it was not inside my package. Okay, so with this very brief video demo, okay, I'm not able to follow and not able to use the plugin.